Welcome to this technical guide on the Conga 4090. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Conga 4090 brush motor sounds dodgy, you're not alone. This issue typically arises due to wear and tear on the motor, which can lead to poor performance or even complete failure if left unaddressed. Ignoring this could result in increased damage, making repairs more complicated and costly. For this repair, you'll need a screwdriver set, a pair of tweezers, some replacement lubricant, and a soft cloth to clean the components. First, ensure your Conga 4090 is turned off and unplugged from the wall. Using your screwdriver, carefully remove the screws securing the outer casing. Make sure to keep these screws safe as you'll need them later. Once the casing is off, gently lift it away to reveal the internal components. Now, locate the brush motor. It's typically positioned near the center of the device. If you're unsure, refer to your user manual for guidance. To extract the brush motor, you'll need to disconnect a few wires. Take your time and remember the order in which they are connected. Using your tweezers can help with this. When you've disconnected the wires, remove the screws holding the brush motor in place. Be cautious not to apply too much force as this could damage nearby components. Now, carefully lift the old motor out and replace it with the new one, ensuring everything is aligned properly. Reconnect the wires in the same order you noted earlier. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is back in place, replace the screws to secure the motor and put the outer casing back on. Ensure all screws are tightened but avoid over-tightening, which could cause damage. Finally, plug your Conga 4090 back in and test the brush motor to ensure it's functioning smoothly. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to regularly clean your brush motor and avoid using the device on excessively dirty surfaces. This will help maintain its performance and longevity. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.